So for the inner purse, we are using 11 by 11 inches. 11 by 11 inches. Okay. So this can serve as a makeup purse. It can serve as your pen, like pencil, pen, and other writing material purse. So it can serve many purposes. Or it can serve many purposes. Mhm. Top stitch it. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share with friends, but please do not sell my video. You can see that I'm not selling it to you. Don't sell it out. Don't use it to organize any tutorial. Anybody that is interested, you can always direct the person to me. Please, thank you so much. So you can see our lovely purse. All right, so see you in my next video. Bye for now. Yeah. You see what we have. I'm gonna cruise it. Yes, sir.